Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Namrata, your English teacher, and today we are solving two of the most important topics for SSC English, error spotting and sentence improvement. Alright, let's start with the basics. What is error spotting? Simply put, you are given a sentence divided into 4 parts. Your job is to find which part has the mistake. Simple, right? Let me show you the format. Here, part A has the error. The word have should be has because the subject is she, that is singular. Why do examiners ask this? Because they want to test if you know proper grammar rules. And here's the good news. The errors follow patterns. Once you know the patterns, you'll never miss one. Key point. You are not supposed to correct the error. You just need to identify which part is wrong. Let me show you 5 real examples from previous SSC papers. Error type 1. Subject-Verb Agreement. Rule. If subject is singular, verb is singular. If subject is plural, verb is plural. Why? Because we have two subjects, branch manager and area officer. When subjects are joined by and, they become plural. So, the verb should be are on leave, not is on leave. So, the correct sentence is, the branch manager and the area officer are on leave today. Common mistake. Students think manager is singular, so use is. Wrong. When you connect with and, would become plural. Why? Neither nor means we need to agree with the nearest subject. Class monitors is plural, so verb should be were, not was. The correct sentence is, neither the captain nor the class monitors were present. Error type 2. Tense consistency. Rule. In a sentence, the tenses should be consistent. Don't jump between past, present, and future without reason. Why? Look at the tense flow. Were married is past. Quit is simple past. But if she quit before they married, it should be before she had quit or past perfect. The correct sentence is, they were married happily before she had quit her job. Why? Because the subject we is plural, so the verb should be have, not has. Therefore, the correct sentence is, we have seen that movie before. Error type 3. Preposition errors. Rule. Use correct prepositions. Common mistakes include at, in, on, since, for, in, during, etc. Why? We don't say through hand. We say by hand or with hand. So the correct sentence is, the postman delivers the letters by hand, door to door. Error type 4. Article errors. Rule. Use a before consonant sounds, and before vowel sounds, the before specific words. Error type 5. Pronoun errors. Rule. Pronoun must agree with the noun it refers to. Why? Each student is singular, so use singular pronoun. Error type 6. Parallel structure. Rule. In a list or comparison, all items should have the same form. Why? Because all should end in ing form. Error type 7. Comparison errors. Rule. Use comparative for 2 things. Superlative for 3 or more things. Alright, now let me teach you my strategy to solve error spotting in under 30 seconds. Step 1. Read the entire sentence. Don't just read parts. Read the whole thing to understand meaning. For example, she have gone to market since morning. Step 2. Check these 7 things in order. Subject-Verb Agreement. Does subject match verb? Tense consistency. Are all tenses matching? Articles. Are there any article errors? Prepositions. Are they correct? Pronouns. Do they match their nouns? Parallel structure. Do list match? Comparative superlatives. Are they correct? Step 3. If you find an error, mark it immediately. Step 4. If no error found, mark no error. Pro tip. Subject-verb agreement errors appears in more than 60% of questions, so check them first. Now, sentence improvement is slightly different from error spotting. Here, instead of identifying errors, you correct sentences or parts of sentences. Strategy for sentence improvement. Number 1. Read original sentence. Number 2. Identify what's awkward or wrong. Number 3. Check if options are grammatically correct and natural sounding. Number 4. Choose the most natural sounding correction. Remember, sometimes no improvement is needed. So don't force a correction. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more SSC English videos. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video. Keep learning. Bye bye.